In proper stitch formation, both looper threads meet at the fabric edge. Both the left needle thread and the right needle thread appear cleanly on the upper side. Adjust the thread tension dials, stitch length adjusting knob, lower knife adjusting knob, and differential feed adjusting knob to ensure a proper stitch. The standard of the thread tensioner dial is 3 to 5. If the upper looper thread meets on the underside of the fabric, tighten the upper looper thread tension or loosen the lower looper thread tension. If the lower looper thread meets on the upper side of the fabric, tighten the lower looper thread tension or loosen the upper looper thread tension. If the right-hand needle thread forms loops on the underside of the fabric, tighten the right needle thread tension. If the left-hand needle thread forms loops on the underside of the fabric, tighten the left needle thread tension. If the fabric puckers during sewing, then loosen the right and left needle thread tensions. If the edge of the sewing material curls or the remaining thread is too long for the edge of the material, adjust the lower knife adjusting knob. Turn the power switch off before adjusting the lower knife adjusting knob. Turn the lower knife adjusting knob by pressing this part. If the edge of the sewing material curls, turn the knob counterclockwise. If the remaining thread is too long for the edge of the material, turn the knob clockwise. The stitch length adjusting knob to adjust the stitch length. To adjust the stitch length, turn the stitch length adjusting knob and move the knob upwards or downwards. The stitch length is adjustable within the range from 1 to 4. For normal overlocking stitches, set the stitch length adjusting knob at 2 to 3. Gathering and stretching of the fabric can be adjusted by adjusting the differential feed adjusting knob. For the fabric sewn with waves, turn the differential feed knob to a larger number. For the fabric sewn with puckerings, turn the differential feed knob to a smaller number. The overlocking width selection knob is for changing seams for overlocking or roll hemming. Turn the hand wheel until the needles are fully raised. For overlocking, push the overlocking width selection knob back so that it aligns with the rear red marking on the throat plate. For roll hemming, pull the overlocking width selection knob forward so that it aligns with the front red marking on the throat plate. Pressure of the presser foot has been factory adjusted properly. Therefore, you do not need to adjust it except when sewing a special material. To increase the pressure of the presser foot, turn the screw clockwise. This is for heavyweight materials such as denim, tweed or hard linen. To decrease the pressure of the presser foot, turn the screw counterclockwise. This is for lightweight materials such as georgette, lawn or tricot. Standard position is the place where the lower part of the control cap aligns with the upper face of the cover. To carry out sewing without cutting the materials, raise the upper knife. Be sure to turn the power switch off before raising the upper knife. Turn the hand wheel until the upper knife is fully raised. Open the looper cover. Press this part toward the right until it will go no further. Keep pressing and turn the knob on the right side in the direction of the arrow. Turn the knob until the knife reaches this position.